Hi everyone! Today, we're going on a trip. But not just anywhere. We're going to explore our solar system. Buckle up, because space is huge. And we've got a lot to see. But first, do you know how many planets are in our solar system? A long, long time ago. More than 4.5 billion years. Our solar system didn't look like it does today. It started as a huge cloud of gas and dust floating in space. This cloud was called a nebula. Then something happened. The explosion sent shock waves through the nebula, making it collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud got smaller, it spun faster. Most of the gas gathered in the center and became the sun. The rest of the dust and gas began to stick together, forming clumps. These clumps grew bigger and bigger, turning into planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Over millions of years, our solar system became the beautiful space family we see today. At the very center is the sun, a giant ball of burning gas that gives us light and warmth. Orbiting around the sun are 8 planets, along with moons, asteroids, comets, and space dust. Let's meet the planets, starting from the closest to the sun. Mercury, small, rocky, and very hot during the day, freezing at night. Venus, covered in thick clouds, the hottest planet of all. Earth, our home, with air to breathe, water to drink, and life everywhere. Mars, the red planet, dusty and cold, with the tallest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet, made of gas, with a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, spins on its side and has a pale blue color. Neptune, the farthest planet, deep blue, with the fastest winds in the solar system. There was actually the 9th planet named Pluto. But in 2006, scientists decided it's actually a dwarf planet. Why? Because Pluto is much smaller than the other planets. It's even smaller than our moon. To be a real planet, you have to clear your orbit of other objects. And Pluto just doesn't. Still, Pluto is amazing. It has mountains made of ice. A year on Pluto lasts 248 Earth years. Temperatures can drop to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than anywhere on Earth. So, even though it's not one of the 8 main planets anymore, Pluto is still part of our solar system's story. The Sun makes up 99% of all the mass in the solar system. Saturn has more than 80 moons. In space, there's no air, so there's no sound. It's completely silent. Studying the solar system helps us understand where we came from, how planets form, and even where we might find life in the future. Who knows? Maybe one of you watching will be the next astronaut to explore Mars. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every little dot could be a world of its own. Space is full of mysteries, and our solar system is just the beginning of the journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.